Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install and use Ollama on your Mac. Ollama is a local AI engine that lets you run powerful models. Whether you want to chat with an LLM, build AI apps, or experiment with different open source models, Ollama makes it super easy by handling the setup, running a local server, and managing all the models for you in the background. Before we install it, here's a quick idea of how Ollama works behind the scenes. Ollama runs a small local server on your Mac. When you choose a model like Llama 3 or Mistral, Ollama downloads that model to your system and stores it locally. Whenever you type a prompt, Ollama loads the model into your CPU or GPU memory, processes your request, and then streams the response back to you. So Ollama is basically the bridge. It handles the model files, manages the hardware, and gives you a simple interface to talk to these large models, all without sending anything over the internet. Now, in case you want a completely clean slate before installing Ollama, here are the commands you can use. I'll also add all the commands we use today in a separate file, and you'll find the download link in the video description. We'll be installing Ollama using Homebrew. So let's first make sure Homebrew is installed and up to date. Here are the commands you can run. Brew hyphen version. This will show the version. Then run brew update to update it. Okay. If Homebrew is not installed on your system, your terminal will tell you. In that case, you can follow the instructions shown on the screen to install it. And just so you know, you can also install Ollama directly from their website. I'll quickly show the download page here. But for this video, we are going to continue with the Homebrew method. Now let's install Ollama using the terminal. This part is very simple. Just run the following command. Brew install Ollama. Homebrew will download Ollama, install the command line tool, and set up everything you need to run models locally. Once the installation finishes, we are ready to start the Ollama service. After installing, the next step is to start the service. This runs Ollama in the background, so it's always ready to accept request. Just run this command, brew services start Ollama. Once this runs, the Ollama server will start automatically and you won't have to restart it manually each time. Now let's verify that everything is installed correctly. First, check the version. Okay, made a small mistake here. Now let's run it again. Okay, we got the version, means it has installed correctly. Next, let's confirm that the Ollama server is running. We can do that by sending a quick request to the local server on port 11434. Okay, we got the response that server is running. We can check the same in the browser as well. Okay, Ollama is running. And with that, we can confirm that Ollama is up and running successfully. The next step is to pull a model. A model is basically the AI brain. It's the part that actually thinks, answers questions, writes code, and generates text. Ollama itself is just the engine. The model is what does the real work. To download a model, we use the pull command. For example, to download Llama 3, you can run Ollama pull Llama 3. This will download the entire model to your system, usually a few gigabytes, and store it locally so you can use it offline. You only need to pull a model once. After that, it's saved on your machine and ready whenever you want to use it. Now that the model is pulled and stored locally, let's run it. To start a model, simply use the run command. For example, Ollama run Llama 3. This will load the model into memory and open an interactive prompt where you can start typing your questions. From this point on, everything happens locally. No internet, no API calls, just your Mac processing the model directly. You can ask anything you want, and the model will respond just like ChatGPT, but fully offline. Now let's try a few quick commands to make sure everything is working properly. These will help you confirm that Ollama is responding and the model is running locally. So let's ask a simple question. Hello, how are you? Okay, we can see the response. Okay, Let's do a small reasoning task. If a car travels 60 kilometers in 1 hour, how much it will travel in 3.5 hours? Okay, we got the right answer that the car will travel in 210 kilometers in 3.5 hours. Next, one more question: how AI helps machines think and make decisions. Okay, we got a long answer for this one. All right, guys, that's it for this video. You've now seen how to install Ollama on your Mac, pull a model, run it locally, and test it with a few simple commands. With Ollama, you can try out a wide range of AI models like Llama 3, Mistral, Phi 3, and many more, all running completely offline right on your own machine. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you want more content like this. In the next tutorials, I'll be building some really cool projects using Ollama together with Python, LangChain, and LangGraph. So definitely stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.